not subscribed to our channel, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In today's video, we will cover one more important transit, that is the Sun enters Ardra Nakshatra starting 22nd June 2023 at 6:01 pm and he remains in Ardra Nakshatra till 6th July 2023. Now this is a very important transit because it signifies certain things, certain events, and in this video we will analyze the impact of this transit on all of us and the world in general. Now look at this chart. You can see the Sun shown by the letters SU in a purple square, which is in the sign of Gemini or Mithun. And the Sun is at 6 degrees 40 minutes, which is the start of the Ardra Nakshatra. Now, what is the Ardra Nakshatra all about? The Ardra Nakshatra is represented by the deity Rudra, and therefore it represents the god who represents thunderstorms, who represents lightning, who represents major transformations, who represents upheavals. This nakshatra is also symbolized by a teardrop, which signifies the emotional upheaval, the amount of stress which we undergo, which results in tears. Now, when the Sun enters the Ardra Nakshatra, it signifies an event called Ardra Pravesh, which indicates the start of the rainy season. And therefore, as soon as the Sun enters into the Ardra Nakshatra, the rainy season intensifies. Storms, lightning, thunder, all of these things will amplify in a big way. Cyclones will happen because of the Sun's transit into the Ardra Nakshatra. The Ardra Nakshatra is ruled by Rahu, and Rahu indicates illusion. So these upheavals, these transformations can put us through major illusions. Before we undergo a replenishment in the next nakshatra, that is the Punarvasu nakshatra. Ardra nakshatra therefore indicates destruction, transformation. Now, what is the Sun? The Sun represents power, authority, king, CEO, CFO, government, high ranking officials. So, when the Sun enters the Ardra Nakshatra, it means the governments across the world, people in positions of power, that is the Prime Minister, President, CEOs, CFOs, all those in power, they undergo major challenges and they will have to undergo major transformations in this time period. So governments are going to see a lot of upheavals in this time period. Major events will happen on which the governments will have to take major actions. Major transformations will happen across the society. Storms, cyclones will intensify in this time period. Now, any planet in the Ardra Nakshatra can make us cry because the Ardra Nakshatra is symbolized by a teardrop. Now, imagine the Sun in the Ardra Nakshatra. The Sun represents the father, the Sun represents authority, Sun represents government, which means major changes will happen in the government, as well as government will bring about rules and principles that will result in major changes in this time period, and that can cause a lot of emotional stress to all of us. So this is a time when the people in power undergo major transformations, major challenges, as well as they try to bring in rules that can affect the general public in a very big way. Now, Ardra Nakshatra is ruled by Rahu, and therefore the dignity of Rahu is very important. Right now, Rahu is transiting in the sign of Mesh or Aries in the Ashwini Nakshatra, and he is very close to Jupiter. Now, Ardra Nakshatra represents transformation. Rahu in Ashwini can represent healing because Ashwini is represented by the Ashwin Kumars who represent healing. And therefore, this is a destruction which will result in a major healing. So, Sun in Ardra also signifies major advances in medicines, in drugs. However, because Rahu is with Jupiter in the Ashwini Nakshatra, it also shows people dealing with drugs. Drug syndicates will operate in a bigger way in this time period, presenting challenges to the government across the world. Now, because Jupiter is with Rahu, it also indicates an increased chances of riots due to religious issues, religious beliefs, and the government will also face challenges in dealing with these kind of events that may happen in this short time period between 22nd June and 6th July. The Aries or Mesh represents the northeastern direction. So the regions in the north as well as the northeast regions, they will be mainly affected because of this transit. Rains will cause a lot of disturbances in this time period. Rains associated with thunderstorm, lightning, as well as cyclonic storms in the ocean will cause a lot of disturbance in this time period. The remedy to overcome the negative effects of Sun in the Ardra Nakshatra is to pray to Rudra. You can chant the Rudra Gayatri daily 108 times, or simply chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. That will give you a lot of relief in this time period. Saturn is also retrograde in this time period, and therefore this time period also indicates a struggle between the masses and the government across the world in many places. Now, since the Sun represents the fire element, the Agni Tattva, and Gemini is an air sign which represents the air element, which represents communication. This is a time period when accidents related to air and fire increase in a big way. Because Ardra indicates destruction, and the presence of Sun here also indicates destruction due to fire as well as air. Now, because Gemini is the sign of communication, it is the sign of marketing, and the Sun represents power, authority. Ardra represents transformations. Ardra represents teardrops. Ardra represents emotional upheavals. Many of us will undergo a lot of emotional upheavals in this time period, lot of challenges in this time period, and we must be ready for this in this time period. Whichever area Gemini or Mithun rules in your chart, whichever area the Sun rules in your chart, those are the areas which will be affected in this time period for you at a personal level. Lastly, the Sun is also the soul. The Sun is the Atma Karaka, which means this transit brings about a major transformation in the soul journey, which is very essential before you get the replenishment from the Punarvasu Nakshatra, which represents rejuvenation. So friends, that's all from my end. For any queries, please write to us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com, and we'll be glad to assist you.